Serato DJ's latest update is a game changer. With Update 3.0, Serato DJ Pro and Lite users can now utilize stem separation for free. And stem separation is the ability to separate individual elements from a track, such as their vocals, melody, bass, and drum. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you 3 things you need to know about Update 3.0, the good and the bad. Number 1. Stem separation can be accessed through stem pad mode, and here you can easily enable or disable any element on your track. The bottom row of this section though is my favorite, and we'll get to that later on in this video. Now, stem pad mode can be enabled on most Serato DJ controllers, and all these functions can also be MIDI mapped. But the important question on everyone's mind is this: how is the stem separation on Serato? Is it any good? Well, to save you some time, yes it is.
I want your body, everybody, so let's check. I want your body, everybody, that's your body, so let's check.
For some reason though, Serato stem separation for me really shines when you solo the drums.
Let's check.
But what about the vocals, you may ask? Well, it's pretty decent.
I get a good feeling, yeah. See those hands, let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see them, come on. Let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see them, come on. Let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see them, come on. Let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see them, come on.
Keep in mind that the quality of stem separation is not just determined by the software, but also by the track, file type, size, etc. So please ground your expectations when it comes to stem separation, because due to all these variables and limitations, stem separation in general will never be perfect, even with the best conditions. Serato stems though does do a good job in hiding audible artifacts and imperfections for the most part, and that in turn makes using it a viable solution for DJs who just want to mix with acapellas and instrumentals on the fly. Number 2. Let's be honest. Stem separation in itself is pretty impressive, yes, but this feature has already been available for a lot of DJ and non-DJ related softwares out there. So what really impressed me the most, aside from how clean everything sounds, is the feature to instantly and smoothly echo out vocals, instrumentals, and drums from a track through stem pad mode.
See those hands, let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see them, come on. Let me see those hands, 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 let me see them, come on. Let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see those hands, let me see them, come on.
Echoing or vinyl breaking an element away just sounds better than just quickly silencing an element of a track, and for me, it's way more practical too. You could use this feature to seamlessly let a crowd sing during a track's chorus, or you could even use it to create an instant acapella out for a track. The possibilities are just endless. But what's not endless though is your computer CPU and storage capacity, because using stem separation can really push your computer to its limits. So to simplify this and to skip all the technical jargon, just know that the better and more updated your computer is, the better it will work with Serato DJ 3.0, especially when it comes to loading and analyzing your track stems in live as you DJ. I personally use a 2021 16-inch MacBook Pro with an M1 Max chip, and I still encounter some delays. So the best workflow is to analyze your tracks before you DJ with them. And with that said, keep note that these analyzed stem files, in some cases, can be twice the size of original songs. So if you plan to mix with stems regularly, make sure your computer not only has the power for it, but the storage capacity as well. Now you may be wondering, where do DJs download or stream their professional sounding audio when they DJ live in clubs and in festivals? Well, if you want to download tracks, pro DJs like myself use DJ record pools. And you can think of DJ record pools as huge libraries of music of all genres, where DJs can download all the quality tracks they could ever need, like songs with intros and outros, acapellas, instrumentals, etc. And so, one of the best DJ record pools I use to get all my music from is Create Connect, and you can get a huge discount on their services by using the coupon code DJ Carlo when you sign up on their site. Before we end this video, please keep note that this review is just based on the beta version of Serato DJ Pro 3.0, so things will 100% get better in due time. But let me know what you guys think. Is temp separation the future? Is EQing dead? Let me know your thoughts down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you all in the next one.